A very good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. In our previous class, we finished our explanation part and we finished our textual exercises. Today, you are going to learn about grammar, nouns. Now, let us open your grammar textbooks. Be ready with your pencils. Shall we start our grammar? Yeah, let's start. Very good morning, children. I hope you all are safe at home. And today you will be learning about nouns. And now open your grammar textbook, page number 12. Nouns. What are nouns? Names of persons, animals, places, things, all are called nouns. We know this very well. And we can call as naming words also. For example, like Mumbai, Delhi, Rama. Like that we can say, right? And now coming to our exercise, nouns. Let us see. Words used to name persons, places, animals and things are called nouns. Examples, Manwa, Sri Lanka, zebra, pen drive, right? So here they have given a picture. Look at the picture. Write 8 nouns. So here look at the picture. In this you have to identify nouns. For example, bus, policeman, old man, like that you have to observe and write 8 nouns here in the given space, right? Cross out the noun that does not belong to each set. So here they have given some group of nouns which is not a noun. We have to cross that. Let us check. Banyan, people, television, oak, palm, all are related to trees, and it is not a it does not belong to this set. So put here cross. That means strike off that. Turtle, truck, lion, bear, zebra. Right? So which is odd one out? All these are animals and this is a thing, so strike off that. Pencil, ruler, spoon, pen, sharpener. Which is odd one out? Yes, spoon. Now strike off for that. Heart, lungs, brain, potato, stomach. Which is odd one out? All are organs and this is vegetable. So cut off that. Pumpkin, eat, carrot, onion, beans. It is cat. So strike off that. Now fill in the blanks with the correct nouns from the box. Here they have given a box and they have given some blanks. For that you need to fill in the blanks with the correct nouns from the box. They have given words. From that you have to fill the blank which word suits for the blank. Kochi, father, salt, mice, honey, maths, coffee. Madhav added some dash and pepper to this soup. It is salt. So write here salt. The tea stall next to my mother's office sells good tea and coffee. So write here coffee. Can you find dash on the map of India? It is Kochi. So write here Purnima's mother and dash have gone to Dimapur. It is father. So write here father. Ginger and dash are good for the throat. It is honey. So write here honey. My cat Harry runs all day after mice. Mittal's favorite subjects are maths and geography. Now turn the page. Let us check. In each row, underline the words that are not nouns. So what you have to do is, from these words, you have to underline you have to underline which is not a noun. So let us check. Card, ruler, dance, sofa, bulb. Which is odd one out? It is dance. So it is not a noun. This is an action word. This is verb. So underline for that. Like that you have to do this. I will be posting the answers in the evening. Which animal makes which sound? Tick the correct sound. So here what are the sounds of animals? A bear. Which animal makes which sound? Tick correct sound. So here they have given some animals. What sounds they make? We have to put for that. A dash growls. Bear, cat, snake. It is bear. So put tick for that. A dash trumpets. It is deer, elephant, cow. It is elephant. So put tick for that. A dash chatters. A dash knees. It is horse. A dash sings. Whale. Now, the name of a group of things is also a noun. Complete the sentence using names of groups. So, here, group of things is also a noun. Okay, that is called corrective noun. Yes, you have to write the correct word here, correct noun. Let us check. Animals, stationery, organs, jewelry, cereals, furniture. This shop sells pencils, crayons and erasers. It is a, where do we get all these things? Yes, it is correct. It is stationery. So write here stationery. The room had no dash except a chair and a table. It is furniture. Lions, tigers and snakes are some dash that live in the forest. All this belongs to which family? Yes, it is animals. So write here animals. Rice, maize, wheat, corn and millet are grown in India. All these comes under cereals. So write here cereals. This is my dash box. I keep my rings, necklace and bangles in it. It is a jewelry box. So write here jewelry box. The heart, liver, lungs and kidneys all are some dash in our body. All are organs, right? Now page number 16. Let us see what is there here. There are different kinds of nouns. Common nouns are names given in common to person or things of the same class or kind. So children, I already told you common nouns are in general, in commonly we use for a person or things like doors, walls, pencil, school, college, teachers, doctors, like that are called common nouns. Let us see the example. Peter found a door in a wall but it had a lock. All these comes under wall, door, lock. All these comes under common nouns. Here it is Peter. This is a special name given to a person. So this is proper noun. And door, wall, clock. All these comes under common nouns. Okay, let us see what is there in the exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable nouns. So here they have given some words. You have to match for that word. Asmita crossed the little lake in a dash. Is it ship or a boat? It is boat. Miha went to the dash to buy some books. Is it library or shop? Yeah, it is shop. So put it here and write shop. A dash can swing from the branch of a tree. Is it donkey or a monkey? Yes, it is monkey. A dash is a wild animal. Bear or cat? It is bear. Amelia Earhart was the first woman to fly alone across the Atlantic pond or ocean. It is ocean. Jack carried a dash of warm water across the garden. It is pail or drop. It is pail. So write here that. The book was under a sheet of brown paper or powder. It is paper. So write here paper. Mark finished his project or progress before the time. It is project. So it is project. Write here project. I looked up the meaning of bite in a dictionary. There is a bottle of cold water in the fridge. So put here tick for bottle and write in the blank bottle. The mouse bit of a piece of cheese. It is mouse. So put tick for this. And let us check in page number 17. Write the common nouns on the correct disc. So here they have given like this. So now write the common nouns on the correct disc. We had to write common nouns. I told you common in general. A person or a place or things we use is called a common noun. A fruit. A fruit it is. Let us check what they have given in the clue box. Fan, canoe, kiwi, wasp, calf, kimono, cupboard, violin. A fruit. It is kiwi. A large water body. Swan. A baby elephant. Calf. An insect. Wasp. A musical instrument. Violin. A dress owned by Japanese. Kimono. A type of boat. Canoe. A place for keeping things. Cupboard. Now it is material nouns. Again, material nouns are the names of substances of material from which things are made. That is steel, cotton, cloth, clay, silver. Usually we wear bangles, gold bangles, diamonds. All this comes under material nouns. Materials are steel, cotton, cloth, clay, gold, wood, glass. All this comes under materials, children. So it's called material nouns. Material nouns are the names of substances or materials from which things are made. So here what they have given, color the material nouns. They have given a boxes, from that which is a material noun you have to choose and you have to color that. Let us check. Iron, book, gold, cloud. So here what are materials here? Yes, very good. It is iron and gold. So color for this. Bottle, wood, glass, wool. So here how many materials are there? Yeah, bottle is not a material. Wood is a material. Glass is also a material and wool is also a material. Paper, soap, air, river. What is the material in this? Soap is not a material. Air is also not a material and river is also not a material. So here paper is a material. So color for that. Now match the things with the materials they are made of. Match the things with the materials they are made of. So here you have to match the things with the materials they are made. Table, for example, table is made up of, yeah, it is wood. Mirror, it is glass. Shawl, which material is used to make shawl, children? Yes, very good. It is wool. Eraser, this you know very well. Yeah, very good. It is rubber. Cake, floor. So like that you have to match. So that's all for today's class, children. Bye bye. Have a nice day.